Welcome to SpeakFlow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Hey, where are you?
I'm at the coffee shop.
Again?
Don't judge me.
What did you order?
An iced coffee.
Even though it's cold outside?
Always.
Did you see my text?
Sorry, I was sleeping.
At noon?
It was a long night.
Are you watching anything?
A new show.
Is it good?
I'm already obsessed.
Why are you smiling?
Someone sent me a sweet message.
Ooh, tell me more.
Maybe later.
What's your favorite fast food?
Chick-fil-A.
Good choice.
I know.
Did you go to the gym?
Yes, this morning.
How was it?
I almost gave up.
Are you hungry?
Always.
Same.
Food is life.
What are you doing tonight?
Meeting some friends.
Sounds fun.
I hope so.
Did you buy anything?
Just one thing.
How much was it?
Too much.
Why are you laughing?
I saw an old photo.
Was it embarrassing?
Extremely.
What are you wearing?
A hoodie and jeans.
Very American.
Exactly.
Are you ready?
Almost.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
I know.
Did you cook dinner?
I tried.
Was it good?
Let's not talk about it.
What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake.
That's a good one.
Right?
Are you working tomorrow?
Unfortunately.
Early shift?
Very early.
What are you doing?
Cleaning my room.
Good luck.
I'll need it.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're so fun.
What's your favorite part?
The music.
Did you finish the movie?
No, I fell asleep.
Was it boring?
A little.
Why are you so excited?
My package arrived.
Finally.
Yes.
What's in the box?
New shoes.
Let me see.
Aren't they cute?
Do you like this song?
I love it.
I've played it all day.
Same.
Are you busy this weekend?
Not really.
Let's do something fun.
I'm in.
Did you call her?
Not yet.
Why not?
I'm nervous.
What are you drinking?
An iced latte.
Of course.
You know me.
How was your day?
Pretty stressful.
Want to talk about it?
Maybe.
Are you going out tonight?
Just for dinner.
Where?
A new restaurant.
What are you looking at?
Vacation photos.
Missing summer?
So much.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
I'll tell you.
I'm listening.
What's your favorite store?
Target.
Mine too.
We belong there.
Are you tired?
A little.
Long day?
Very long.
What time did you wake up?
6.
That's too early.
Tell me about it.
Did you clean your car?
Not yet.
It needs help.
I know.
What's your favorite snack?
Popcorn.
Sweet or salty?
Both.
Why are you late?
Traffic was terrible.
Again?
Every day.
Do you like online shopping?
A little too much.
Same.
It's dangerous.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Going shopping.
Need company?
Always.
Did you sleep enough?
Definitely not.
Coffee time?
Absolutely.
Are you watching TikTok again?
Just one more video.
That's what you said an hour ago.
Oops.
What's your favorite holiday drink?
Peppermint mocha.
Fancy.
A little.
Do you miss school?
Some parts.
Like what?
My friends.
What are you saving money for?
A trip.
Where to?
California.
Did you go outside today?
Barely.
You need fresh air.
Probably.
Why is your phone always in your hand?
Good question.
Any answer?
Not really.
What are you listening to?
A podcast.
About what?
True crime.
Are you excited for the weekend?
So excited.
Any plans?
Just relaxing.
Did you finish your coffee?
Already.
That was fast.
I was thirsty.
What are you doing right now?
Talking to you.
Fair enough.
Exactly.
Why are you looking at me?
Because you're acting suspicious.
Me?
Yes, you.
Do you want dessert?
Is that even a question?
I'll take that as yes.
Definitely yes.